Corinaldi Avenue Primary retained their Insport 7 Biscuits Western Region Primary Schools Athletics Championship title in dominant fashion, winning the three-day event by over 100 points. Denise Waters tells us more.
Chrysanthia Erickson of Howard Cook Primary broke the record in the girls' Class 1 100 meters, clocking 13.36 to get the better of Neandra Todd of Burnt Savannah and Corinaldi's Cavondra Gooden. Todd is a double sprint silver medalist after also finishing second in the 200 meters.
Last year I performed the medley and I didn't feel so good last year because we came fourth. But this year, since I'm performing the 100, the 200, I feel extremely well.
Shante Morris of Wakefield is the girls' Class 2 100 meters champion, winning in 13.99 ahead of teammate Hatonish Williams and Holland's Samoya Bramwell. Deborah Morris got the better of Corinaldi teammate Kaisa Turner to win the Class 3 event in 14.51. Kelisha Cross of Glen Stewart was the third. Emma Clark of Barrack Road took the girls' Class 4 60 meter ahead of Naomi Wright and Alania Wilson of Esher and New Forest respectively. On the boys' side, Kenarda Wedderburn of Flankers won the Class 1 100 meters in 12.74, getting there ahead of Barracks Road Almar Sterling and Glen Stewart's Shaquane Reed. The Class 2 event went to Corinaldi's Daniel Gale, who took the race in 13.67 ahead of the Christian Moravian pair of Jordan Wilson and Raymonte Dunkley. Jamaria Webb of New Forest clocked to 13.88 to best Conjay Scarlett of Corinaldi and Kahim Koff of Braze River in the boys' Class 3 100 meters. The Class 4 60 meter went to Roshane Reed of Wakefield, who got the better of Esher's Adrian Diaz and teammate Kahim Clark. Meanwhile, Amaria Morris of Glen Stewart is the Class 1 girls 400 meters champion.
Me didn't want to come second, but me ended up come first. Because me didn't have more than one race and me never want to base on me energy.
In the meantime, Corinaldi won 5 of the 8 sprint relays on offer, while Wakefield, Barracks Road and Howard Cook won the other 3.
It's been interesting. I mean, less teams than in the past, and some of the traditional teams are not as strong as we've seen them before. Primary Champs is about identifying the talents and giving the kids an opportunity to participate so that they can be spotted. And, regardless of what kind of shape that they're in, is about the skill level that they have coming in, which you can develop in a very short time.
They are young, exuberant, it's a lot of talent. From all the different schools, they have seating various discipline, and they are a good one for the future. After
40 finals, Corinaldi amassed 274 points, 120 more than nearest rival Barracks Road Primary, 154, Black River 152, Howard Cook 148.5, and Glen Stewart 147 rounded out the top 5. Wakefield, Esher, Burnt, Savannah, Christian Moravian, and Holland finished in the top 10. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.
Some football news.